Today we got a lot of work to do on the EK today, this morning, boys. Let's start this one off with a breakfast edit. What do you guys think?
Yeah, could you send it to your mom? Could you send her? Hey, stop it!
Like I said, we got a lot of work to do on the EK today. Today is like a restoration day or like a refresh day. Spring cleanup. Spring cleanup. Thank you, Kearney. Spring cleanup on the EK. We're gonna be fixing a lot of cosmetic stuff on that car today because it looks good. The car looks good, but it could look great. So today, I'm gonna be taking a little bit of my time, a little bit of your time, a little bit of maybe Kearney's time, we'll see, to work on the EK and get it looking great. Really quick before we start, I'm giving away an entire year of YouTube revenue. All you have to do to have a chance to win is be subscribed. There is a little bit more to it, but I'll be releasing details when it's closer to the time of the giveaway, which will be sometime late this summer of 2020, probably around August. With that being said, it is 60 degrees today. It is so nice in Chicago. Okay guys, so you saw in the last video that we lowered the EK, and it looks really good. It looks really, really good right now. The only thing is there are some minor flaws. There are some major flaws like this dent. You guys all know about that. And this rust here and here. Or I'd say those are like the major flaws. Today I'm not really gonna be focusing on those. I'm gonna be focusing on the minor flaws. I'm gonna be focusing on like the headlights. They're a little bit foggy. This one's not so bad, but this one is really foggy. Also, I'm gonna be painting the windshield wiper stalks and the rear one. Also, there are a lot of scuff marks like this right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yes, you can. Getting rid of stuff like that. And there's also this like stuck on stuff on the door trim. I'm gonna try my best to get this off. As far as the window trim goes, I'm probably gonna have to order new trim. I just don't think I'm gonna get a good OEM look out of the old ones if I like paint them. That'll be something that I deal with. So a little change of scenery. We are at Kearney's house now, and I have to redo the driver's side headlight because I ran out of the good clear coat. So I switched to a Rust-Oleum, and it did not turn out good. Like it is like cracking and like it's running like crazy. Okay, so here's the thing. This side looks terrible. This is awful. I'm really not happy with how this turned out. I am very, very happy with how this turned out. That looks unbelievable. So the problem is I used a different clear coat on the good side and a different clear coat on the bad side. I'm just so frustrated because both of them were gonna look so good, and then I ran out of the good clear coat on the driver's side. And so I had to use this crappy Rust-Oleum clear coat, and that ruined it. So I had to spend the last couple hours sanding it off just to do this again. And it looks terrible. Now it has runs, it's cloudy, and does not look how I want it to. So I'm pretty pissed off right now, to be honest with you. That was a lot of work for literally nothing. I'm gonna just let this sit overnight, and then I'm going to sand it off again and try it again when the weather's nice. Oh man, it's just so frustrating. So I've clearly made some mistakes in this video, and I don't want to hide that from you guys. That's part of being an honest YouTuber. I showed you that I really messed up the headlights. Kind of a bummer. I'm gonna put in a little bit more work to try to sand down that driver's side headlight. I'm gonna try it one more time and just see what I can do. I'm gonna also try to find the right clear coat and have it shipped here via Amazon because no one else has it apparently. And I'm gonna try to fix it one last time. I'm not gonna give up on it just yet, but if I can't get it to look how I want it to, then I am gonna just order new headlights. In the meantime, I'm gonna get to work on something else. Hope you guys enjoy the time lapse. All right, so it doesn't look perfect, but this is definitely good enough for me. This is the best that it's looked. There are some imperfections, but for the most part, it looks a lot better than it did. So I'm glad that I gave it another shot. Alright everybody, so that is where I'm going to end today's video. This was a lot. This was about 3 days worth of work. Maybe 4 actually. Wow, those birds or chipmunks or whatever those are need to chill. Anyway, the car looks pretty dang good actually. Doing the headlights was a fantastic idea. I'm very glad that I did that. I know a lot of you guys in the previous video's comment section said polish the headlights, so that needed to be done and it is done. I'm gonna show you the car right now. It looks so much better up front. Like, that is so good. This side even looks pretty good. Looks really clear on camera. That's crazy. Something that I still want to do that I didn't do in this video is I want to repaint all the tire letters so that those like pop. That's just super time consuming. I probably won't even film that. I'm just gonna do it. A couple more small things. I want to figure out a solution for this window trim. I don't really know what to do about it. And I want to get rid of this like chrome antenna. It's just so ugly. I also tried to polish this car and I was gonna wax it, but I realized that I can't really do it by hand. I'm just not experienced or skilled enough, or I don't know, I just feel like I need a buffer to do it. Where it works well, it looks fantastic. Check this out. Right here on the hood, it works super well and you can see just how reflective that is. But then over here, it didn't work as well. I have some like kind of rough spots. I just didn't do a good enough job and I don't really want to waste any more time on it. I'm definitely going to like cut and buff this entire car at some point to make it like super nice, but that is not gonna be today. With all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was definitely a lot of work, a lot of ups and downs, a lot of headache, but in the end, it was definitely worth it. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. Also, if you like this video, please click that subscribe button. And as I always say, boys, remember to plan, commit, execute, and attain your goals. Bye.